Hi everyone. In this lecture, we have to discuss about the MCQs of crystal structure. First one is the total number of atoms in the simple cubic lattice, that is a SCC, body center cubic, that is a BCC, and face center cubic, that is a FCC, respectively. Answer of this question is a 1, 2, 4. Means the total number of atoms in the SCC crystal is 1. Total number of atoms in a BCC crystal is 2, and total number of atoms in the FCC crystal is 4. Then second MCQ is the cubic crystal system has an element because element of symmetry possess the plane of symmetry. Second one is line of symmetry, and third one is axis of symmetry. Then it has possessed the 9 plane of symmetry. Then the 13 axis of symmetry and 1 line of symmetry. And so the 9 plus 1 plus 13 is equal to 23 elements of symmetry is present in the cubic crystal system. So the answer of this question is option number 4. Then next question is the total number of space lattice in the crystal is. Answer of this question is 7. Is 14, because we can see here in the crystal system there are 14 number of lattice. That is in the cubic crystal system there are 3 number of lattice. In the tetragonal system there are 2 number of lattice. In the orthorhombic system there are 4 number of lattice. In the hexagonal system, hexagonal or rhombohedral and monoclinic system there are 3 number of lattice. In the monoclinic system there are 2 number of lattice, and in the triclinic system there are 1 number of lattice. So we can calculate here. Three plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 14. So in the cubic crystal system there are 14 number of space lattice. And space lattice is also known as a Bravais lattice. In the exam, questions came from a Bravais lattice also. So you have to remember here the space lattice and Bravais lattice is the same concept. Next question is question number 4. The dash crystal system is the most symmetric crystal system. Here we can see that there are 7 type of a crystal system. First one is a cubic, second one is a tetrahedral, third one is orthorhombic, fourth one hexagonal, fifth one rhombohedral, sixth one monoclinic, and seventh one is a triclinic. Okay, but here we can see that here ABC axis is equal. All 3 axes are equal, and all these interfacial angles is also equal. So this is the symmetric crystal system. Here also, so this is the most symmetric crystal system. But here A is equal to B, but B is equal to not C, and here A is not equal to B and B is not equal to C. So this is a incorrect option. Here A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. So this option is also cancelled. And in this system, rhombohedral system, there A is equal to B is equal to C, but the interfacial angles are different. So this is a half symmetrical system. This is not a most symmetrical system. So this option is also cancelled here. And in this monoclinic system, there is A is not equal to B and B is not equal to C. So this option is also cancelled. And third one is in the triclinic system, the axis and also the interfacial angles are different, means it is not equal. So this option is also cancelled. Means answer of this question is the first one, that is a cubic crystal system is the most symmetric system. So option C is the correct one answer. Then we have to see in the fifth question. Fifth question is a detached crystal system is a most asymmetric crystal system. Now here we can see that this is a symmetrical system, so this option is a cancel. But this is the half asymmetrical system, but this is not completely a symmetric system. But here we can see that the triclinic system, in the triclinic system, ABC axes are not equal, means not symmetric, and also the interfacial angle alpha, beta and gamma are also not equal. So this option is a correct one option. So we can write the answer. we can write the answer. Option number A is the correct one. That is, a triclinic system is the most asymmetric system. Then question number 6 is the aluminium crystallize and in an FCC, sorry यहाँ पे FE हो गया है, sorry here is the FCC structure and the atomic radius of the metal is a 125 picometer and what is the length of the side of the unit cell of the metal. ओके यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिया है, यहाँ पे हमें लेंथ दी है पिकोमीटर में. ओके सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट दी length also in the picometer unit. Okay, so here we know the formula of a formula of a radius in case of a FCC structure. Formula is the R is equal to A divided by 2 in the square root 2. Okay, 2 in the square root 2. Here we know that here we have to rearrange this equation. So A is equal to R into 2 into square root in the square root 2. Okay, so now we have to put the value in this equation. We got the 2 into square root 2 into 125. So here 2 answer of 2 square root is a 1.41 and value of R is a 125. So after solving this multiplication you got the answer 353.5 is the final answer. So option third one is a correct option. Then next question is question number 7. Properties that are independent of the direction of the measurement are called as the answer of this question is the isotropic properties, because the isotropic properties that independent on the direction of the measurement is known as the isotropic substances. Then question number 8 is the crystalline substances are dash dash. First one is isotropic, second one is the anisotropic, third one is a allotropic and fourth one is a polymorphic. Okay, these two options are incorrect and now we have to select from these two options. But we know that the crystalline substances possess properties of crystalline substances are dependent on the direction of the measurement. Okay, so the properties that are dependent on the direction of the measurement is known as the anisotropic substances or anisotropic properties. So option number B is a correct option. Now third one option, next question is 9th question. The path difference in the Bragg equation is given by, we know that the Bragg equation is equal to the 2d sin theta. 2d sin theta, where n is equal to number of atoms, lambda is the wavelength, d is the distance and sin theta. Okay, so m lambda is equal to the path difference. So the value of path difference is 2d sin theta. So option B is a correct option. This option is correct. In the equation 10, the Huys's law of rationality of indices is the dash dash of the crystallography. It is nothing but the second law of crystallography, because the first law of crystallography is the constancy of interfacial angle. So we can skip these three options. This option, first option, third option and D option. So we got the answer option number B is the correct, that is the second law. Now we have to see the 11th example. If the Weiss indices of a plane are 1, 2 as a 3, 4 as a 2. Okay, then what are the Miller indices? When we calculate the Weiss convert the Weiss indices into Miller indices, then what we have to do? First we have to take the intercept of these Weiss indices. Intercept of this Weiss indices is, intercept of 1 by 2 is 2, intercept of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3 and intercept of the 2 is 1 by 2. Means what? We have to multiply it by 1. So we know that we can divide the value of 6 by 3 and 2. So the value is value 3 is divisible by 6 and value 2 is divisible by 6. Okay, so we have to multiply this Weiss indices by 6. So by this Weiss indices by 6. So 6 into 2 is equal to so 6 here 6 into 6 into 6. Okay, so we got here 12, here 6 into 3 to 8, and here we got 3. Okay, so we got the Miller indices, that is 12, 8 and 3. So this option is a correct one. Then next question is, the element of symmetry includes, option A is the plane of symmetry, option 2B is this line of symmetry, third one is the axis of symmetry, and fourth one is a all of this. Okay, so we know that the element of symmetry includes the plane of symmetry, line of symmetry and the axis of symmetry. So the option 4 is the correct option. Then next question is, the type of a crystal lattice sodium chloride, that is a NaCl, is. We know that the type of a cubic crystal system in the FCC crystal, in the NaCl crystal is this is the type of a FCC type of a crystal. Okay, so FCC means what? Phase cubic crystal lattice. So this is nothing but the cubic type of a crystal lattice. So option 1 is a correct one option. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel.